Let's try the linear pattern with a perforated plate model. Here we have cut extrude 1, which makes a hole in the plate. I'll switch to top view so we can see the hole and its dimensions more clearly. Now we need to duplicate cut extrude 1 to create multiple holes in the plate. Go to the Features tab and select Linear Pattern. We'll see that cut extrude 1 is already listed in the Features box because we clicked it earlier. Next, click on the box for pattern direction. We can actually use a dimension as a reference for the pattern direction. For example, I'll select this dimension. The preview shows up in yellow. But I've already prepared a sketch line as a reference, so let's use that instead. To remove the reference, right-click in the selection box and choose Delete. To make the sketch line visible, show the Feature Manager, expand Cut Extrude 1, right-click on Sketch, and choose Show. Now select the horizontal center line as Direction 1, and then click Reverse Direction. Next, let's try the Up to Reference option. We can still set spacing and number of instances. But now we also have a box for reference geometry. In this example, I'll select the left end point of the horizontal center line. The whole pattern automatically extends until this end point. Below that, there's an offset distance option. For example, if we enter 50 millimeters, the holes will stop 50 millimeters before the end point. If we click Reverse Offset Direction, the holes will extend 50 millimeters past the end point. For now, we'll leave it at 0 millimeters. Next, leave centroid selected. Let's set the number of instances to 9. The spacing will update automatically. Now we need a second direction. For direction 2, I'll choose the vertical center line. This will duplicate the holes along the Z direction. Again, choose Up to Reference and select the top end point as the reference. Then set the number of instances to 6. The spacing will adjust automatically. There's also a setting called Pattern Seed Only. If this is turned on, only the original features we picked will be duplicated. We'll leave it turned off. When the preview looks right, click OK to complete the operation. Finally, hide the sketch again by right-clicking it and choosing Hide. All right, I'll set the view to trimetric. And don't forget to save.